To get started with Django, you will need to do the following basic setup. Install Python. Django is a Python web framework, so you will need to have Python installed on your machine. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/download/. Install Django. Once you have Python installed, you can install Django using pip, the Python package manager. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the command pip install Django. Create a new Django project. After installing Django, you can create a new Django project by running the command Django admin start project name in your terminal or command prompt. This will create a new directory with the name you specified as project name and will include the basic files and directories required for a Django project. Start the development server. Navigate to the project directory in your terminal or command prompt and run the command python manage.py run server. This will start a development server, and you should be able to see the default Django welcome page by visiting http://127.0.0.1:8000/ in your web browser. Create a new Django app. A Django app is a standalone module that contains the models, views, and templates for a specific part of your project. You can create a new Django app by running the command python manage.py start app in your terminal or command prompt. This will create a new directory with the name you specified as upnam inside your project directory. Once you have completed these steps, you are ready to start building your Django web application. Thanks for watching.